Connecting our motor with ROS is important. We have just coded the motor with the Arduino code, but how to communicate that code with the ROS2 is really important. We will create a ROS2 node for that, and this is similar to the LED node that we made in the 50 Days of Robotics series. You know about it. So moving forward with the how to control the motors using the ROS2 node, that is important, right? So we have coded the Arduino. Okay, so we have to just keep the Arduino aside. Now no need to code Arduino further. We have to now jump to the Raspberry Pi, okay, or else the microprocessor that you are using. So just connect the Arduino to the Raspberry Pi. Okay, so the serial communication is really important because we are using the serial communication protocol here. So that's the reason. Now we have to build a Python node, okay, a Python script or node because we are using ROS. So that's what we call code, that is node in ROS. So we are going to write a Python node using PySerial library, which is responsible for the serial communication in Python. Okay, so we are going to write the Python node in ROS, and then we will communicate the Python node with the Arduino using PySerial library. And again, the communication protocol here is serial communication. Okay, and for that reason, it is really important to use the SSH communication. Okay, so we are going to use VS Code for the SSH communication and to write the code. Okay, because for the Raspberry Pi we are not like always use the screen and HDMI cable. I think using the SSH communication is the best way to communicate with the Raspberry Pi. So we are going to use the VS Code and just type the IP address there. So we have to install the SSH extension in the VS Code, and after using the SSH extension you have to press the icon of the SSH, and then you will be directed to write the address of yours, and after writing it down you have to save it and then write the password and connect your VS Code with that. So you will be logged into the Raspberry Pi using VS Code. Now you can access the folders, the workspace which are available at your particular like folder, and then you are going to write the code. So that's how it goes. So now we will write the code to control the motor, that is the node, and then always as we do after making some changes in the package, do the colcon build part, and then we are going to run the node. Okay, so after running the node, it is important that the port that you are considering in your node, that is important. It might be TTY USB 0, TTY ACM 0, any port that you are using. It should be connected properly as it is serial communication. So make sure that you check it out, and then we are going to run this particular node. So the motor will be like communicating with the node. Okay, the Arduino code will communicate with the node. And we are going to use the publisher subscriber model here. Okay, that's how it goes. And then to run the robot now, we will use teleop twist key keyboard. Okay, and it will move as we press I, J, L, comma. So that's the beauty of ROS. Okay, and we are controlling it completely using SSH communication, and that's how we are controlling the motor. So yeah, this was for today. We will meet in the next video. Till then, grow, learn and explore together.